Friends, today we stand at the edge of a new world. A world where the boundaries between science fiction and reality are blurring before our eyes. In this world, robots are not just machines, but true partners and helpers, seamlessly blending into our daily lives and routines. Gen-0 is the start of this revolution, a humanoid robot designed to learn from the real world, just like we do, by observing, adapting, and growing with every experience. Its advanced AI brain processes information 500 times faster than a human mind, constantly analyzing, adapting, and becoming more intelligent with every passing second. Unlike traditional factory robots that are limited to repetitive, pre-programmed tasks, Gen-0 is built for the unpredictable and ever-changing environments of our world, whether that's in homes, offices, or hospitals. Its purpose: to learn, understand, and assist humanity in ways we're only beginning to imagine, helping the elderly, supporting children, and making everyday life easier for everyone. This isn't science fiction. It's happening right now as we speak, in labs, homes, and workplaces around the world. Gen-0 marks the beginning of a new relationship between humans and machines, one built on learning, trust, and true partnership, where both sides grow together. In this journey, we'll explore how Gen-0 works, what sets it apart from anything that's come before, and the incredible future it promises for all of us. Let's dive in and discover the world of Gen-0 together. How does Gen-0 learn so fast? What makes it so unique compared to other robots? Like a baby, it learns by doing, trying, failing, and trying again. This trial and error method is fundamental to its development. Most robots learn from computer data, processing vast amounts of information to make decisions. But Gen-0 learns in the real world, touching, pushing, picking things up, and making mistakes. It interacts with its environment directly. Every interaction is a lesson, making its AI brain stronger and more capable. This real-world learning is powerful because life is messy. Floors are slippery, objects are unpredictable, and situations are ever-changing. Gen-0 adapts, solves problems creatively, and builds its own understanding from scratch. It learns to navigate complexities. It's not just running a program, it's gaining experience much like a human would. That's why it learns so quickly and handles real-life challenges better than any robot before. Its adaptability is unmatched. This shift, from data to experience, is what makes Gen-0 revolutionary. It's a new paradigm in robotics. It's learning to be part of our world, from our world. It's integrating into our daily lives seamlessly. That's the true start of the robot revolution, a future where robots and humans coexist and collaborate. To see why Gen-0 is special, look at today's robots. They can do backflips in labs, but struggle with simple tasks at home, like getting a bottle from the fridge or folding laundry. The problem isn't their bodies, it's their brains. They lack real-world experience and common sense, so they fail at unpredictable tasks. Gen-0's real-world learning fills this gap. It's the missing piece that lets robots move from the lab into our lives. A smart mind is what makes a strong body useful. Gen-0 is the key to making robots truly helpful. Not all robots fail. Some are becoming lifelike, even expressive. Robots now dance with rhythm and grace, thanks to motion capture technology that teaches them human movement. In museums, robot dinosaurs move so realistically, they almost seem alive. Motion capture lets robots mimic the subtlety of human skill, making their movements feel natural. Some robots can even change facial expressions and voice tone, responding to our emotions. They don't feel, but their reactions feel real to us. This makes robots more engaging and socially aware. The line between machine and living thing is blurring. As robots like Gen-0 enter our homes, they promise real help, reminding us about medicine, assisting the elderly, cooking, cleaning. But with cameras and microphones everywhere, privacy becomes a big concern. Who sees the data? Who listens? Sometimes remote operators can even control your robot. This raises serious questions about who's watching and how your data is used. We need strong rules and transparency to protect our privacy. Robots should help us, not spy on us. Balancing usefulness and privacy is crucial as we welcome these helpers. The challenge is to keep our homes safe and private in this new robot age. Where does this lead? What does it really mean to live in a world where robots are more than just machines, but trusted companions and collaborators? It leads to a future where robots like GEN-0 become true partners in our lives, not just tools we use and put away. They'll be by our side, helping us in ways we're only beginning to imagine. GEN-0 can learn endless skills. Folding laundry, watering plants, even playing chess, simply by watching and practicing alongside us. The more it observes, the more capable it becomes, adapting to our unique habits and preferences. Instead of buying separate robots for each task, cluttering our homes with single-purpose machines, we'll have one intelligent robot that adapts to our needs, learning new tasks as our lives change. You'll teach your robot your routines, your preferences, and even your quirks, making it a truly personalized assistant that fits seamlessly into your daily life. It will anticipate your needs, remind you of important tasks, and help you manage your day with ease. GEN-0 could take on dangerous jobs, speed up scientific research, and handle tasks that are too risky or tedious for humans. It could also provide care and companionship to those who need it most, offering support to the elderly, the disabled, and anyone seeking a helping hand. This isn't about replacing humans, but elevating us, giving us more time and freedom to focus on what truly matters. We'll be free to pursue creativity, connection, and the things that make us human. Of course, there will be challenges. Privacy, safety, and ethics will all need careful attention as we move forward. But the direction is clear. Humans and robots are meant to work together, side by side. Together, we'll build a future where collaboration is at the heart of progress. The robot revolution is here, and with GEN-0 leading the way, the future looks brighter than ever before, full of hope, innovation, and new possibilities. The journey has just begun, and together, we're stepping into a new era.
Love exploring the world of technology and AI? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to NeoTech-Lens for more insightful and exciting content. Hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest tech and AI innovations. Your support fuels our journey into the future of technology.